Welcome to the Arthritis Fitness Channel's Phase 1 move we call the Radar. The Radar is a terrific introductory move that engages your core, your upper body, and nearly all of the muscles in your legs and lower back. The secret to the Radar is resisting the temptation to lift your feet as you sweep your arms through the water and making sure that you keep your palms open to the water. One note, however, if you have shoulder issues, turning your palms parallel to the bottom of the pool will still provide good benefit but present less resistance to your upper body. Or you can keep your palms fully facing the water and simply slow down your rotation. For the maximum benefit though, plant your feet, keep your arms long and straight, stand tall, and power through the water. Perform this move for 1 minute and following the Phase 1 plan, rest for a minute before the next move. During the brief break, feel how your chest is opening up, the tension in your back fading, and your joints saying thank you.